Welcome to the wonderful world of non-parallel lines and transversals. Okay, to start with, we have a couple of definitions. So you'll see here that we have line 1 and line 2. Okay, so these are non-parallel lines. That means that if you continue those lines out forever, they will eventually cross. Okay, parallel lines will not, but non-parallel lines will cross. And we also have this A line here. So you can see A lines going down, and it's a transversal. It's a line that intersects two or more lines. Okay, now to start with, we have corresponding angles. So those are angles that occupy the same position of an intersection. So the same side of what we're calling an F. Okay, so I'm going to do my best to draw the F here. It's not a straight F. Okay, so here you can see we have an F. So corresponding angles are, for example, 2 and 6. They're occupying the same spot on the F. So just above the F here, just above the F here. 4 and 8 are also corresponding angles. I can also draw my F backwards here, and then we still have 1 and 5, and we have 3 and 7. So those are all corresponding angles. So next we have vertically opposite angles. So these are two angles meeting each other at a vertex. So a vertex is just here. It's the point where the two lines cross. Okay. So they're sometimes called kissing V's because there's a V and here is a V. They also form a bow tie, if you will. Okay. So the vertically opposite angles are 2 and 3. And in this case, they are always equal. Okay, so 2 and 3 are the same. 1 and 4 are also the same. They are vertically opposite as well. Okay. Next up, we have alternate interior angles. So what we need to know now is what alternate means. So alternate means that here's my transversal. We'll have two angles on opposite sides of the transversal. So one over on this side and one over on this side. That means alternate. Interior means that they're found between lines 1 and 2. So they have to be these angles in here. So they form a Z. Where's our Z? Okay, so angle 3 is on one side of the transversal. On the opposite side of the transversal, and still on the inside, we have angle 6. And you'll see that they're both on the inside of the Z's, okay? These are alternate interior angles. You can draw your Z different directions. So 4 and 5 are also alternate interior angles as well. And last, we have alternate exterior angles. So alternate just means, again, on one side of the transversal and then another on the next. But this time, exterior means they have to be above your line 1 or below your line 2. So none of the angles in the interior here. So for example, if we have angle 1 here, we have to find something on the opposite side, also on the exterior. So angle 8. So angles 1 and 8 are alternate exterior angles. And you'll also see that angles 2 and 7 are alternate exterior angles.